Why do we buy anything? What's the driving force? What's compelling people to go and buy your products, your services, what it is that you offer? That's what we're going to look at today. I call it the driving force, and we're going to look at the reasons that motivate people to seek solutions to problems. There are only 3. So when you know this, this is marketing superpowers for you. Hey, I'm Colin. I'm a marketing and online business coach, and I help inspiring entrepreneurs to change the world doing more of what they love. Let's dive in to your marketing superpower. Now, when it comes to needs, drivers, motivators, there are 3 main driving forces. Once we have satisfied our basic needs, we all need to breathe oxygen. We all need water, we all need food, we need shelter, we need sustenance, we need safety. So beyond those basic needs, there are 3 drivers of motivation. The first is autonomy. We all want control of our lives, of our destiny, because we're scared. We're scared. We know that one day we're going to die, and that scares us. So we all search and strive for control over our lives, control of our destiny, control over the world around us. We seek control, and this autonomy driver is really powerful in all of us because we all want to make sense of things. We all want to see order out of chaos. We all want to find that peace of mind that comes with control. We want to control time. We want to control our lives. We want to control our destiny. We want autonomy. We want to feel like we're in the driving seat. So how does your product or services deliver that? How does your product or service deliver autonomy to your ideal clients? The second is growth. We all seek growth. We want to create. We want to learn. We want to explore. We want to play. We want to grow as people, as human beings. So how does your product or service deliver growth? And finally, impact. We want to contribute. We want to make a difference. That's why I'm making this video right now, is to contribute to you, to your growth. We want to have a purpose. We want to connect with a purpose. We want to connect with something greater than ourselves. And we want to fulfill our unfulfilled potential. These are the critical drivers in the reasons that people buy what it is that you offer. It's not money or superficial things. They are surface level wants and needs. Autonomy, growth, impact. These are the intrinsic drivers of our behavior. So how does your product or service link to these things? Let's look at an example, okay? Here's an app that collects all of your financial information in one place. That's what it does. It's not an app, it's my hand, right? But just bear with me for a second. So the app delivers all of your financial information in one place. But so what? That's product focused. That's not client focused. So with that, if we ask the question, okay, well, what does that mean? What does that mean to me as an entrepreneur? It means that I don't have to go into 5 different apps to look at my accounts, my finances. I can see them all in one dashboard. Wonderful, okay, great. So what difference does that make? Well, that now saves me time, gives me control, remember, of the 3 things. It gives me control over my time, it gives me autonomy over my time, and allows me the freedom to fulfill my purpose. It allows me the freedom to spend that wasted time elsewhere, where it's better spent, in serving people, in creating content, in creating and delivering transformation, in changing the world. So can you see in that really short example how we've gone from an app that collects all of your financial information to me changing the world? It's a big leap, and I've made it extreme on purpose just to demonstrate the point, so that once you understand the drivers of purchase decisions, the drivers of people wanting what it is that you offer, you can use that understanding, you can use that superpower to position what it is that you offer in a powerful way. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. So I implore you, just as Peter Parker's uncle did, use that power responsibly. Go and make ripples in the world. And I wish you all the very best. I hope this video has been helpful. Please do like the video, share it with people who would benefit from the message, and subscribe to the channel on YouTube so that you get updates as I create more content to help you on your journey. Best wishes.